Have you ever felt like the exact moment you walk outside, a giant spotlight turns on and everyone is staring right at you? Like when you spill a tiny drop of water on your shirt and you are absolutely convinced it's all anyone will look at. This constant heavy pressure makes you feel like every stranger you pass is silently judging your hair, your clothes, or how you walk. It's exhausting. It feels like you are performing on a massive stage every single day, with absolutely zero room to make a mistake. You end up constantly checking yourself, desperately trying to make sure everything looks absolutely flawless. Because in your mind, even a tiny, silly little mistake is going to be noticed by the entire world, leaving you completely ruined and embarrassed. So, to stay safe, you start hiding away. You speak less, take fewer risks, and shrink your entire world. You become completely trapped by a silent, invisible fear of what they might think. Welcome to the spotlight effect. It is a psychological trap where you are the center of the universe and it is quietly ruining your life. But why does this happen? The truth is, it's not you, it's your brain software. Inside your head, there's this glitchy little process called the ego. Its whole job is main character vibes. Back when we were dodging saber-toothed tigers, this paranoia kept us alive. Every sound was a threat. But today, your brain treats a presentation or an awkward silence like a serious life or death situation. It's too much. Let's look at a totally random, relatable moment. Ordering coffee. High stakes, right? You rehearse it 10 times in your head, then you walk up and immediately ask for a hot iced mug. In that split second, you are certain the entire cafe is gasping in horror, judging your entire existence. But bruh, the reality check. They are way too busy worrying about their own main character drama and their phones to even notice. The ego is low-key lying to you. They didn't even hear you. Recognizing this glitch, that your inner ego is dramatic, is the first step to escaping the trap. The ultimate breakthrough happens the exact second you realize you hold the power grid. You can literally reach up and turn that imaginary spotlight off yourself. Because here is the liberating secret. Absolutely everyone else is too busy managing their own spotlight to notice yours. When you realize nobody is actually tracking your minor slip-ups, making a mistake stops being scary. You can finally take a deep breath, drop your tense shoulders, and just exist. Throw away the invisible main character crown that is doing nothing but giving you a massive headache. Walk into any room knowing you don't need to perform, adjust, or prove anything to anyone. Give other people the same grace you want, knowing we are all just trying our best not to trip over. Stepping out of the spotlight doesn't mean you become invisible. It means you finally become genuinely free. So turn off the light, stop overthinking, and go live your life. You've got this. If you liked the video, please make sure to leave a like, and for more such psychological videos, subscribe my channel as I'll be uploading more videos soon. Thank you for watching till the end.